Why a customer need an agent, especially American customer? Because this when goods last cheap for delivery, this is a very important thing is that when the agent receive their goods, they will do spell check for customers. When do spell check, they find some problem, they will help to solve the problem. This is an example. My customer needed to ship their goods to Amazon warehouse, but our warehouse do spot check. We found some problem like it is mixed with some colors. So we told our customer about this and get in touch with the factory, try to find a good way to solve this. But because of the time is very limited, so we agreed on that our warehouse will help solve all the problem to clean the mixed colors for customers. So because Amazon shop selling products is very strict, so customers don't accept the customer will need very good quality product. They don't want some quality problem. So that's very important for an agent to handle everything in China for customers. Normally, when agent found the problem, we will send back all the products to the factory, ask factory to do reverse of the products. But because this customer is very needed a good very urgently, so that we agreed on we have workers to do everything for the customer in order to save some time, because like this we can save about 1 week for our customer. You know, when goods sent back to factory need 2 or 3 days and send back 2 or 3 days, so that will waste about 10 days about that. But if at our warehouse do this that will only need 2 or 3 days, so this will save a lot of time for American customers. So for an agent in China, for American customers that will help at last solve some problem suddenly happened. This is very, very important for American sellers.